So this is going to be a real quick video. My mother-in-law asked me to make a video on how to use chopsticks. So Mabel, this video is for you. To hold the chopstick, put one chopstick between your index finger and your thumb and hold on to it like this. And then take the other chopstick and slide it through the hole between your thumb and the index finger, and then rest it right on your ring finger. Right like that. And then what you do is you use your index finger and thumb, and this is what articulates. The only movement when using chopsticks is just your index finger. So you just use it and you go back and forth like that. It's as simple as that. Another way to hold chopsticks is to put both in your hand like this, rest it on your ring finger, and then just move this top chopstick up and then hang on to it with your thumb and index finger. Try not to hold the chopsticks too close to the end here, because then you're choking it off and you won't be able to articulate it properly. You want them probably about 3/4 of the way up, maybe an inch extended, but it depends on the length of the chopsticks. Whereas on a pair of chopsticks that are longer like these, you notice I'm holding them probably midpoint, 3/4 of the way. Also, if the chopsticks start getting different lengths, just stand them up and readjust and then keep at it. And then just practice picking up all kinds of little things. A question I also sometimes get asked is, how do you eat rice with chopsticks? Because it's hard to pick up individual grains of rice. Well, actually, what you're supposed to do is you have a bowl, a rice bowl, and you bring the bowl up to your face or your mouth, and then you use the chopsticks to shovel the rice into your mouth. And that's it. That's how simple it is. And if you're still having problems using chopsticks, get a pair like these.